look at the birds.
Yeah, they'll combine again, see? Come on. Go.
Is it coming back? They're flying together.
Those are birds, man.
Go more.
Whoa.
Hey, there's another group.
Where?
On the right.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, freedom, Mario.
Wow,
Why did
birds.
this? Whoa, tak kelas kan?
So many birds. Are they flying here?
There's another group.
You're like bees.
Wow, big group. Wow, look at that. Whoa, awesome. They will-
Let us play the game.
What is a race or
They're
what?
making a formation eh.
No, they close again.
Whoa.
Oh, it's a
They're fighting,
stunt.
is it? Are they fighting?
Clash of the
It's giving me goosebumps.
It looks like bees.
Yeah, swarm of bees.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this one now combined.
Ta-da!
We ever saw this at JB, right?
No, here.
Here is the same place.
We saw it here. What do you mean? Saw it
Yeah,
at
we
here?
saw a lot.
Yeah.
And the group there, they combine. Oh, like
Can you
lightning.
see? Can you see? It's flying together. Whoa.
Oh my god.
That's a large amount of birds.
Are they playing or
They are finding home.
together
Where's
there?
block 352? Where is it? We're looking for Olive and
Go
Ernie.
to the trees.
Yeah, I think they're finding food.
They're communicating that.
It's just, oh my god, this is a lot.
There, some of them are resting on
Going
the
to
rooftop.
farming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they are just playing. There, just each other playing.
But because at this certain time, right, near evening around here, they always like do this.
Yeah, they always a lot eh.
They always a lot. What kind of always?
There's always a lot of that.
Oh, song. Let's play. Hey, why they keep us splitting?
There are the trees over there.
Where they know?
Okay, now they are resting. There.
Yeah. Then later they start again.